and let the vlogage begin. Hi, I'm Chad, and welcome to another adventure. Today I am meeting up with a friend of mine, Nigel, and we are going to ride up to Moto Club of Santa Monica. Now, for those of you who may not be aware, Moto Club of Santa Monica is actually an esteemed Aprilia dealer. So it should be fun to go take a look-see, check out some 2021 and 2022 Aprilia models and probably some pre-owned inventory, and just meet people and hang out. I think we might be meeting up with a few other riders up there as well. It's sure to be a good time and an adventure. So in classic Chad fashion, we are just a little bit behind schedule here. So hopefully the freeway is pretty clear, because I'd like to be there as close to on time as possible. What up, buddy? How much, dude? How are you?
Cold. Check out Nigel's R1. The carbon chameleon purple wrap is fire. Looks incredible in the sun. Get like kind of a blue over here when it's in the shade. Looping back around. Gorgeous.
Ooh. Nigel's bike looks sick and sounds sick. Sounds so good! What?
Both sound good.
Super good. His bike looks so good rolling. Woo. I was gonna set up my K6 for the GoPro, but when I was working on it this morning, I learned I had no more Velcro strips for my bike adapter. So unfortunately, no dual vlog commentary, but we're out here, vlogging together, having a good time, riding motorcycles. Yoo-hoo! Nigel, teach me how to wheelie. Oh, here we go. Woo! Oh, he's just having the time of his life. I'll drop some links below to Nigel's Instagram, his YouTube channel. He's also a really fast club racer, so check him out. Gonna be racing that R1 real soon, and used to race an RS-V4 and is a race winner. Now we've entered the traffic sequence of the vlog.
Alright, Moto Club, let's cruise on in and see what kind of bikes we got. Alright, so right out front, RS-V4 factory, S1000RR. Got the RS660. Ooh. Tuono V4X and RS V4X. Super limited edition. Super rare. The new RS V4 factory. Beautiful. $660. Got the new Tuono V4 RR or standard. Pretty sick place. Really cool. Got the dyno back there. The shop. So sick. But these right here. Damn. Wow. All right, leaving Moto Club. Pretty sick place, cool people. Gonna go get some lunch. We're just gonna cruise down PCH. Play around, have fun. After all, that is what motorcycling is all about. Type. Nice variety of bikes and sounds. Oh, it smells real good right here. Exhaust. Superbike exhaust. Oh.
It's the same, it's just a little level up. Subtle flex, you know?
We shall.
Yeah.
M1000RR. Nice Tuono. Nigel's R1. And
Yeah, when do you get them? I think a week.
S1000RR. Good times.
Really?
Back on the bikes. So we're gonna go cruise up to Neptune's Net, historical Fast and the Furious location. Try to take some photos. Should be pretty cool. Woo. That's a view. That is a view. Now, isn't that a view? M1000RR, Nigel's R1, Ben's S1000. Chris has got the M1000. I've never seen one of these in person before, and what a machine. I love motorcycles, don't you? What a great day. Heading home. Oh, Nigel. Oh man, these views. Beautiful. Today's been a good day. Made some new friends, Ben and Chris. It was a pleasure. Your BMWs are sick. Nigel, always a pleasure. Fun watching you do wheelies. Please teach me. But from here, I think we're just gonna cruise home on the freeway. So it was a fun day, cool adventure. I haven't gone out on like a big ride like this in a while. I've never ridden up to the Santa Monica area before, or been to, I mean, we didn't actually go to Neptune's Net, we went across the street, but that's Neptune's Net from the Fast and the Furious, if you've seen that movie. Kind of a classic at this point. So with that, I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a gentle little click of the like button. Consider subscribing for more motorcycling adventures. I like riding and try to do it as often as possible. 'Tis one of my favorite things to do. Drop a comment below. Which friends do you ride with? What kind of bikes do you guys ride? Where do you ride? Let's talk about it. With that, thanks again for watching, and I will hope to catch you in the next one. Until then, later.